Abaana bashanjirwe barwire boona nibaruga omu division ya Nyamwamba omuri Kasese municipality.
They begin becoming weak. They develop high fevers. After developing high fevers, they begin developing rash as a key symptom, beginning with the limbs. Then it becomes generalized rash with the time, and the temperatures tend to rise so much. And then eventually, eyes tend to become even red. So, and their cough also develops.
Dr. Godfrey Senyonjo, senior medical officer wa Minisitule y'ebyamagara kandi orikujunanzibwa kugema abaana enshonga egi nikwagishoborire hati.
And we are going to immunize children from 15 years and below. Why? In some of the neighboring districts, actually in other countries, we have found adults suffering with measles. Actually, there was an adult who was immune suppressed, and that was the index case, who spread measles to these under 5s.
Dr. John Baruku, Minisitule y'ebyamagara omu businga bwa Rwenzururu, we nashaba abazaire okutamana mingi omu kugemesa abaana baabo kwehara endwara nk'ezi.
So as a kingdom, we're encouraging wherever people are to take our children for immunization. And I've just heard that even whether to take immunize from 9 months to 5 years. But now it is now from 5 years to 10 to 15.
And I'm expecting health workers to do their work diligently. And they should improve on their customer care, because some are harsh and sometimes cause these people to be suspicious and not to give in their children.
Omuganda nkaaga orukora nka mukuru w'ebyamagara mu district ya Hoima, Dr. Frederick Byenume yahamya ko habarikira endwara y'obusheru mu district ya Hoima.
Abantu kubaterera mujumbira muno kugema abaana kandi murole nti haliruli mutarubata muno movement egi nayeretera abaana baingi kuba n'abantu baingi abakubalose.
Enshonga egi nagyejekyerera abazaire abatakyenda kugemesa abaana baabo endwara nyamwita.
So far hafire abaana babiri but tuka confirming abo bafire lusero bafire kubaitu babiri bo bali babakonka.
Gashaka Gilbert Muhanguzi na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.